Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Apps Tech Academy. In this tutorial, I'm going to be guiding you through how to log into your Spotify account using the Spotify mobile application. So let's get started. First of all, open up the Spotify app on your device and then from the welcome screen, click on Login. From the login options, select your login method. You can log in with your email, Google, Facebook, or Apple ID. Choose one of these options that you previously used for signing up your account. I have selected the email and password option. Type down your email address associated with Spotify. After you do that, type down your password on the next field. After typing down your credential, click on Login. And thereafter you do that, you have successfully logged in and accessed your Spotify account. Now you can start streaming with your favorite music. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more Spotify tutorials. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned.